Another day, another safety tips. Inspection of D-SHACKLE. When inspecting a D-SHACKLE, you should follow certain guidelines to ensure its safety and reliability. Here are some steps you can take during the inspection process. Clean the shackle. Remove any dirt, debris, or corrosion from the shackle using a wire brush or other suitable cleaning tools. This step allows for a better visual inspection. Visual inspection with checklist. Thoroughly examine the entire shackle, paying attention to the following aspects. Body. Inspect the body of the shackle for any cracks, deformation, or elongation. Ensure that it is not bent or twisted. Pin. Check the pin for any signs of wear, damage, or bending. Verify that the pin is properly seated and securely fastened. Threads. If the shackle has a threaded pin, inspect the threads for any signs of stripping or damage. Ensure that the threads engage properly and can be tightened securely. Markings. Look for manufacturer markings or load ratings on the shackle. Make sure the load rating is suitable for the intended use. Measurement. Measure the diameter of the shackle's body and pin to ensure they meet the required specifications. Compare the measurements to the manufacturer's guidelines or industry standards. Load capacity. Confirm that the shackle's load capacity is appropriate for the intended application. If the load rating is not visible or known, consult the manufacturer or refer to industry standards for guidance. Corrosion. Check for any signs of corrosion, such as rust or pitting. Corrosion weakens the shackle and reduces its load-bearing capacity. Deformation or elongation. Look for any signs of deformation, elongation, or stretching, which can occur due to excessive loads or misuse. Such deformities compromise the strength and integrity of the shackle. Retaining pin. If the shackle has a retaining pin, ensure it is present, properly installed, and securely holding the pin in place. Certification and monthly color coding. If the shackle is used in an industry that requires certification or compliance with specific standards, verify that the shackle has the appropriate certifications or markings with monthly color coding. Replacement. If you identify any significant damage, wear, or doubts about the shackle's safety, it is recommended to replace it with a new one. Remember, the specific inspection requirements may vary depending on the industry, regulations, and the intended use of the shackle. Always refer to relevant standards and guidelines for detailed information on inspecting shackles in your specific context. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more safety-related videos. Like, share and comment.